This video tutorial I will explain SSL, TLS and HTTPS. SSL is nothing but secure sockets layer and TLS is nothing but transport layer security. You can think of SSL and TLS as a security guards for your internet communication. When you browse the internet, your web browser talks to the web servers to display the web pages. SSL and TLS are protocols that encrypt the communication between the browser and the web server, and it makes sure the information exchange between your browser and the server remains secure and private. Imagine you are sending a secret message to your friend. Without SSL or TLS, it is like sending the message on a postcard, and anyone who intercepts it can read it easily. With SSL or TLS, it is like putting your message in a locked envelope before sending it. Only your friend can unlock the envelope and read the message. HTTPS is nothing but Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. HTTPS is the combination of regular HTTP protocol and SSL or TLS. HTTP protocol is used to transfer web pages. When you see HTTPS at the beginning of the website address in your web browser, it means the connection between your browser and the server is secure and encrypted. HTTPS is like sending your secret message using a special courier service that ensures the message is put inside the locked envelope and securely delivered to your friend's mailbox. In summary, SSL and TLS are security technologies that encrypt your internet communication, and HTTPS is a secure version of regular HTTP which is used to access the websites. And they all work together to protect your data and ensure your online transactions are safe from hackers. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.